If I had my picture taken in a photo studio and the one who took my picture edited it by removing dark circles, pimples, lightening the skin a little bit, but without my knowledge. Now, am I sinful if I use that picture for documents such as passport, ID, etc.?
If you paid money for it, then you should go back to the studio and tell them to restore it to the original photo. Because such Photoshop is considered to be manipulating and tampering with the creation of Allah Azza wa Jal. And this is not permissible. And if they refuse and you've already paid money, I would highly recommend that you go and take another photo in another studio and demanding that they don't Photoshop it. But if this is not possible, or you don't have the money and you are in need of these photographs, then inshallah using it would be permissible.